You will see that the steel forms a lobe, no? Unlike in your monopod, it forms a ring, diba? A ring of silent. Pero ito, it forms a lobe of silent. So if we're going to look at that one, there's a lobe of silent. Okay? So if we try to enlarge it, when you have the same parts, the outermost is your epidermis, and of course below that is your hypodermis, and you have your cortical parenchyma here, and then of course the reddish ones. Your epidermis. Below that is the pericycle. So if we're going to have this class, these are all your Casparian string, and it only permits how type of water movement with plastic. Okay, and then look at the silence. Figure 1 are the silence here. These are convexed elements. The smaller ones are your traphids. And of course, here are your phloems. Yung mga nasa labas. Yan. Okay? Naintindihan niyo ba?
Yes, sir.
So, let us now look